Hello guys, this is Deb. So welcome back to Velocity Bikers again, and today I'm really excited to inform you guys that we have planned for a short trip to Purulia, which is around 660 kilometers far from Kolkata. And I'm sure this would be an adventurous trip because this place is known as the Queen of West Bengal. Okay, so from long back we had a plan to visit this place. We have deep forest, we have hills over there. So we're gonna start exactly 4 in the morning on Saturday, and today I'm gonna show you all the riding accessories that we are going to carry for this trip. Okay, and I'm sure this video will help all the riders and bikers and all of you if you're planning for a long ride. Okay, so here we go. Alright guys, so here we have all the riding accessories that I'm going to carry. Okay, so let's show you one by one. So this is my gearbox. This is from Pro Biker, so I have my elbow and knee guard over there for the safety purpose. This is the mouth guard, which will help you to protect from dust and pollutions. So this is really helpful. I have my gloves from Pro Bikers, and also I'm carrying 2 helmets. So the first helmet is for me and the second one is from Epilion. Okay, you can see on the first helmet, which is from Vega, and you can see there is a mount point fixed over there for my GoPro and noise cam. Alright, and so this is my noise play cam, which I've already explained you guys in my previous videos. I'm gonna carry this time. This is a 4K noise play action camera, and I'm gonna carry a power bank. So this is again an emergency, for the emergency purpose. Whenever you need a power supply for your mobile, you need to, plug your power bank. So you need to carry a power bank all the time. Also, I'm gonna carry a memory card for extra storage, for the secondary storage, because whatever video I'm going to capture, all those videos will be 4K videos. So definitely this is going to take more storage, so there might be a crisis. That's why I'm going to carry a secondary storage memory card. And also I'm going to carry a Bluetooth headset, because while you're riding you need to keep on communicating with your companies, with your co-riders. So you need to set a Bluetooth headset all the time. Okay, and also I'm going to carry my Surface tablet, because to transfer all those videos from noise play action camera to memory card, so this is required. And also I'm gonna carry a water bottle, because while you are riding you need to drink a lot of water. A polarized glass, so this polarized glass will help you to protect from the deeper and the lights which is coming from opposite side. Okay, so it will help you while you're riding. Okay, also I'm gonna carry a Medipack, a Medibox, which contains all the medicines which you need while you're riding or any urgent basis. Okay, and also I'm gonna carry a you can see Eurogold chain lubricant. So this is really helpful, because every after 200 kilometers you need to take care of your chain lubrication part. Okay, and the last one, which is high pressure foot pump, you can see. So this is one more important thing for any urgent basis. Okay, if you need to check the pressure of your air pressure of your tire, then in that case you need this. Okay, so that's all guys. And apart from that, I'm also carrying my riding jacket, you can see there, and also all the dresses which I need for this trip. That's all guys. So I'm sure definitely you'll enjoy the next video which I'm going to upload on Purulia trip. And please subscribe, share, like, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you guys.